Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Axie Infinity. It's up 13% in the last 1 month. It's up 13% in the last 1 week. We're still waiting alt season in 2023. Are we going to get that long-awaited alt season that will send all coins pumping to the moon? How high can Axie Infinity market cap go? With the market cap sitting at $748 million, and we see that market cap heading to the $10 billion level before the end of the year. Also take a look at Axie Infinity performance against Bitcoin. It has been a very brutal bear market. We've seen it lose so much value against Bitcoin. So what do you expect it to do before the end of the year? How high should it go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll finally look at the Axie Infinity US dollar price chart. Axie Infinity had a very crazy ride, pumping to as high as $160, dumping to as low as $4. So where is it heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Excitement returning back to the cryptocurrency market. All coins are showing signs of life. A lot of all coins are starting to have double-digit gains on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Axie Infinity has joined that party. But guys, how high do we expect it to go over the next few weeks before the end of the year? Right now, we saw Bitcoin have a very great October. We saw Bitcoin trade above $35,000. Axie Infinity trade around the $5 level. At the height of the bull run, we saw it getting to as high as $160. Where we're going to find resistance as we pump to higher prices. Let's take a look at some key details about Axie Infinity with a market cap of $748 million. With forward trading volume of around $69 million. Total supply is sitting at 270 million tokens. We have a fully diluted market cap of $1.4 billion. Axie Infinity all-time high happened on the 6th of November 2021. That was 2 years ago. We saw it trading around the $165 level. Right now it's down 96.81% from that all-time highs. And the all-time lows happened on the 6th of November 2020. That was 3 years ago. Axie Infinity was trading at the $0.12 level. So in the space of 1 year, we saw this altcoin going from $0.12 to as high as $165. If you take a look at it on the chart, Axie Infinity had a very crazy pump to the moon, rallying up from that $0.13 level, pumping to new all-time highs, giving us more than 119,000% pump in around 365 days, which meant $1,000 invested in Axie Infinity at the bottom will have returned over $1 million at the top. That's how outrageous these altcoins can pump. But guys, anything that goes up very, very quickly has a very strong chance of dumping to goblin town very, very quickly. And Axie Infinity has obeyed that rule. This is first full crypto bear market. Bear markets are very brutal for altcoins. Bear markets see a lot of these altcoins give back their gains. We've seen Axie Infinity go from as high as $165, dumping back to as low as $4.2 in its first full crypto bear market. But while market participants accumulating more Axie Infinity, why did they expect it to continue pumping to higher prices in the future? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with different attributes and strengths can be entered into 3v3 battle. Where can you get some if you want to get some? Guys, you can get some Axie Infinity on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, we found support at the $4.2 level. We're expecting Axie Infinity to continue pumping to higher prices. But guys, it's not going to be a smooth ride to the top. I always tell you guys, anytime we're pumping to higher prices, these key resistance levels are levels you want to pay attention to. The $12 level is going to be interesting for Axie Infinity. We started 2023 with the pump, but we got stopped out around that $12 to $13 level. So I'll not be shocked if we face resistance at that level. Maybe take 1 week or 2 weeks chilling at the $12 level before we continue pumping to higher prices. But knowing how volatile altcoins can be, we can get the shock of our lives. We can see Axie Infinity start a crazy pump, rallying 200-300% in the space of 1 month. Most times we get to see alt season happen in the space of 1 month. The last time we saw Axie Infinity having crazy pumps, it lasted a year, but it was a year that was very bullish. It was a year that altcoins were going to the moon, front, left, and center. Right now, Bitcoin is showing us that, you know what, craziness may return to the cryptocurrency market very, very soon. I'll be paying attention to that $43 level for Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity could easily rally to that level. That will see it pumping by 743% from where we're currently trading. And that will mean from the bottom, Axie Infinity would have rallied up about 1,000%. We're still yet to see Altseason 2023. Altseason is when we see altcoins going crazy. Altseason is when you want to be holding some altcoins. The best trick, the way to play the altcoin season index is that right now, as we're in Bitcoin season, right now, as Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins over the last 90 days, over the last 30 days, you want to be buying altcoins, you want to be accumulating them so that when the tables change, when altcoins start going to the moon, when altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, when they start having a very great time, you'll be selling for some sweet profits. Right now, we're seeing Bitcoin outperforming the altcoin market. We're in Bitcoin season, and if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the next 90 days, we'll officially be in an alt season. How high do I expect Axie Infinity to go in an alt season? That $43 level is still my primary target. I'll be taking some profits off the table at that price point. But if we go higher, if we see the market gets hyper bullish, the $69 level will be another key level for us to take some profits off the table. If you take a look at Axie Infinity performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, that had crazy dumps to gobbling town as expected. But before those dumps to gobbling town started, we saw it outperforming Bitcoin by more than 21,000% in just under a year. Huge pumps to the moon will also lead to huge dumps to gobbling town. Huge dumps to gobbling town will eventually lead to huge pumps to the moon. So we're expecting another pump to the moon. When will that happen? Probably before the end of the year. We've been in this bear market for more than 749 days. I expect to see a big pump in Axie Infinity against Bitcoin. I expect to see it outperforming Bitcoin before the end of the year. In the bear market, people are scared. You see them running away from all coins which they believe to be risky into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, into the US dollar because they believe to be safe. But guys, when we start seeing bullish sentiment in the market, when we start getting back to alt season, you see a lot of market participants losing up. You see them start buying altcoins, expecting those big pumps to the upside. And I'll not be shocked if that contributes to Axie Infinity having crazy pumps before the end of 2023. We've seen the market cap find support at the $565 million level. Key levels to watch out for the market cap. The $1.6 billion level will be pretty interesting. And best case scenario, watch out for what Axie Infinity will do when we see the market cap start touching that $3 billion level. All seasons around the corner. All coins will be going to the moon, Axie Infinity included. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How high do you see Axie Infinity going before the end of the year? Do you think the bear market bottom is in and we start pumping to higher prices to the moon? Or are you a bear expecting us to go to lower prices? How possible do you think it is for us to get to the $69 level before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.